The hands are elements of our body which have different parts and can be used for three principal things. There are parts of the human body and they are located at the end of the arms. Every hand has 5 fingers jointed that can be moved voluntarily. There is a finger that is particular because it is opposite to the other. This opposition allows us to drop things. This feature is unique from primates. The hands and fingers are also very sensible. In fact, they are one of the densest areas of nerve ending in the body, and they are the richest source of tact. The hands can be used for three principal things. They are instruments that allow us to take things and manipulate them. For example, when you want to open a bottle or write a letter, the hands can make very precise movements. These tips allow us to get information about the world, like in the case of textures of an object. Finally, the hands also help because there are a lot of expressions related to the hands movement. For example, when we say hello or when we explain something. The hands are elements of communication that can transmit information consciously or unconsciously. The communication is the information that we transmit to other living beings. It can take many forms: speech, visual, written, or behavior. The movement of the hands is part of the behavior and can communicate a lot of information. There are many conscious actions of communication that we do. It means that we think about them before doing it. For example, when we shake hands in greeting or when we give a fist in a fight. In the two cases, there is information that is transmitted. It can be pleasure to meet someone or anger. There are also more explicit meanings for hands movement, like in the case of sign language or diving symbols. But they are all conscious communication. In the case of unconscious communication, we have a lot of little hand expressions that we can't control. These gestures give information to the other about how we feel. For example, when we are nervous, we joint our hands to feel protected, or when we doubt, we scratch our head. There are other unconscious hand movements, like when we talk, we discuss, or when we explain something and we move the hands to illustrate. We can see that hands movement change the way we receive information.